Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best coffee makers with grinders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many coffee makers with grinders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each coffee makers with grinders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a coffee maker with a grinder. First, think about the grinder type, as grinders give more consistent results compared to blade grinders. Next, check the brewing capacity so it matches your household needs, whether you make 1 cup or a full pot. Pay attention to ease of cleaning because removable parts and self-cleaning functions save time and effort. Also, look at grind settings and brew strength options to enjoy the flavor you prefer. Consider the machine's size and design to ensure it fits your kitchen space. Don't forget energy efficiency and programmable features that make your morning routine smoother. Finally, compare prices, read reviews, and check warranty options for long-term value. A smart choice will give you fresh, flavorful coffee every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.